So gamification. A lot of us, I would guess, associate the word games with, wasted time, kids staring at a screen for hours on end when they should be doing things that are more valuable in their time. But in reality, when we're talking about gamification in the classroom, it's an incredibly powerful and valuable resource for teachers that has the potential to drastically change student motivation and engagement. So what gamification is bringing these elements of games that, help kids get really emotionally attached to games, desire to get that next challenge, reach that next goal. It's bringing these elements into the classroom so they face the same challenges in school the same way they kind of would with a game. Things like leaderboards where they can see how they stack up against their peers, different intrinsic and extrinsic motivations that can propel them forward, instant feedback for assessments. Tests no longer have to be this dreaded thing. They can be really exciting and fun, but still be as powerful with learning and engagement and assessment. It's just bringing a ton of intention, knowing your students, knowing what's going to motivate them, and being able to create this kind of storyline that the kids can immerse themselves in. That's the biggest thing. It's about kind of escaping the norm, the traditional classroom setting, and being engaged and immersed. Now this can be a single lesson, a single unit, or an entire year. That's completely up to you. But gamification is incredibly powerful. It's incredibly fun as a teacher and for students. This is an incredible way to maximize both motivation and engagement in your classroom.